What's going on? So I wanted to do a quick live video. For some reason I like doing the live videos. It helps me like to go off the cuff a little bit. It's Friday night about 5:15. I want to do the top 3 ways to save quick money on home insurance. Obviously everybody's different. Every single home policy is complex. There's a lot of different scenarios. I told a client earlier today there's 25 to 27 different things that affect a home rate or an auto rate. What's up, Chad Jackson? Working on that too for you, buddy. The 3 quickest ways: number 1, obviously do business with us. You do business with us, not necessarily do business with us, but call us. You give us a call, and we will do our best to find the right fit for you. I have a saying that if I can't do it, I'll find somebody who can. I had somebody who, what's up, Chad? Chad's watching all the way from Hawaii. Everybody give Chad a thumbs up. But basically, I had a guy call me a couple years ago, and he said, "Hey, can you insure my helicopter?" And let me clarify, there's no way I can insure a helicopter. I will never be able to insure a helicopter. And my answer was absolutely. And then I went and found somebody who could do it. So that's the first way, because if I can't do it, or if I can't have a good deal for you, I'm going to find somebody who can. The second way to save money on insurance is to combine all of your insurances. In other words, some people have their autos with an online company. Some people have their home with somebody with an agent, and then some people have their life, somewhere else. If you can carry all 3 of those with the same carrier, no matter which carrier it is, if you can find a carrier that carries all 3 of those, they're probably a good company. If you do all 3 of those and have all 3 of those together, you will build up discounts within those policies. I just had a guy a minute ago whose rate was $2,600. But if he did his autos, that's on his house, that's on a $600,000 house. If he did his autos with us, it saved him almost $600 a year. So there's a benefit to doing everything together. The third way to do it is if you are with a good company. A good homeowner's policy is going to have what they call inflation guard on the policy. What the inflation guard does is every year the dwelling coverage is going to go up. The coverage on the house is going to go up a little bit, small percentage, to account for inflation. Now that's not a bad thing at all, and it doesn't necessarily mean a higher rate every year. But what happens is if they did not do that and the coverage stayed the same, and then 15 years from now you had a loss, there's a good chance we have your house underinsured. But what can happen is we tend to be a little conservative on the high end. So in other words, we tend to outgrow inflation over a long period of time. We'd rather overshoot it than undershoot it, obviously, for obvious reasons. So, if 5 years goes by, and now with us, we run ours every year. But if you're with another carrier, give me a call. I'd be happy to do it, or they can do it obviously for you. But the reason I have this is if you share this video, everybody that shares the video is going to be in a drawing to win this gas card. We can rerun the numbers, essentially square footage, brick, frame, that sort of thing, how we come up with that coverage, just to make sure that the coverage amount is right. And what can happen is in a 5-year window, we could have the house $10,000 to $15,000 overinsured. So that's going to make a pretty significant difference in the rate. And keep in mind that if we do lower coverage, it's not underinsuring. Usually what happens is they get around $100 a square foot, which is typically too much. Thanks for the thumbs up. So those are the 3 quick ways. Share the video, you'll be in the drawing. I'll tell you what, if Chad Jackson is watching right now and Chad shares this video right now, I'll just mail the card to Hawaii. I don't know how much it's going to cost me to do that, but I will mail the card straight to Hawaii. So appreciate it, guys. I'll be here all night if anybody has any questions. Thanks.